Did you know that you can buy a factory spec 4-wheel drive van from a dealer? Only at Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne do we take an Nv3500 and do an in-house conversion using all original Nissan factory parts. Everything is all Nissan, right down to the shift lever. The end result? You get the most capable, the most competent van out there, and it's better built than anything else. Have I got your attention yet? Well, maybe the fact that you can buy this for much less than a comparably equipped SUV will grab your attention. Give us a call today. We'll build the suit. You can pick it up or we can ship it to you. And remember, when you buy a qualified used or new vehicle, that we are the home of the forever warranty. Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne. Why would you settle for anything less?